Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for your comments on my challenge day 1 video. You say that thank you so much for this video, it was so helpful, and I want to see you do a video for every day this month. I want to see how you could build me into a money-making artist. I'm looking forward to that as well. You said merch would be dope. I like that. And I would love to sell merch at an event or collab, and postcards would be super fun as well. Keep those comments coming, guys. It is important for me to know what you think, and I'm sure our community will learn a lot from your experiences as well.
Limiting beliefs are the biggest obstacle between you and your thriving art career. And sometimes we don't even realize we have them. In this video, we will try to figure out what limiting beliefs you have. Because if we know the problem, then we can solve it more easily. In order to understand that, I prepared a few questions for you. Those questions are in a Google form, and you can find the link in the description part or in the pinned comment. But if you don't want to answer my questions there, you can always write on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter. We will talk about your results tomorrow. Depending on your answers, we will have at least a little bit of an idea what fears you might be struggling with, what limiting beliefs you might have. Meanwhile, if you want to share your answers to these questions, please feel free in the comments section, because it always creates a very nice chat environment, and I would love to know what you're thinking about this challenge and how it is going for you.